How to download Amazon product videos. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can download these product videos from these Amazon products. So let's jump straight in. If you're on Amazon, you can search for any product, and once you tap on the product, you can go in, and this is the view that you will see. On the left hand side here, you can see that there are a bunch of images. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see that there are some videos of the actual product. So if you'd like to actually download it and not just view it on Amazon.com, you can go ahead and you'll have to download a product that is called Video Downloader Prime. And this Video Downloader Prime is actually a Chrome extension, which is really nice. It's nice and small, and it just gets the job done. So once you've installed this Video Downloader Prime, you'll be able to go back onto this page. Now, to access your extensions, you're going to go up to the top right hand side of the screen and tap on extensions, and you will find it right over here. Now, once you tap on the Video Downloader Prime, you will see that there are two videos right over here, and that is these two videos that are actually on this page. So you can see that it gives you a resolution. It also gives you a file size. It also gives you the opportunity to copy the link to your clipboard, and then you can just straight up download it right from there, and then you can remove it from this page over here. And there you go, quickly and easily it'll be downloaded to your device, and you can watch it straight from there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop us a like, smash up that subscribe button, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.